imagination, worlds above and worlds below. The sun shines on the black clouds hanging over the domain. Even when you're feeling warm, the temperature could drop away, like 4 seasons in one day. Smiling as the shit comes down, you can tell a man from what he has to say, and everything gets turned around, and I will risk my neck again. You can take me where you will, and up the creek and through the mill, like all the things you can explain, like 4 seasons in one day. The blood dries up like rain, like rain, fills my cup, like 4 seasons in one day. It doesn't pay to make predictions, sleeping on an unmade bed, finding out wherever there is comfort there is pain. Only one step away, like 4 seasons in one day. Blood rise up like rain, like rain, fills my cup, like 4 seasons in one day. People are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. The women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are on you when you're down, when you're strange. Faces come out of the rain when you're strange. No one remembers your name when you're strange, when you're strange. The people are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. Women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are on you when you're down, when you're strange. Faces come out of the rain when you're strange. No one remembers your name when you're strange, when you're strange. When you're strange, faces come out of the rain. When you're strange, no one remembers your name. When you're strange, when you're strange. Strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, listen for a while. And there he was, a young boy, a stranger to my eye, strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt her find my letters and read each one aloud. I prayed he would finish, but he kept right on, strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. He sang as if he knew me in my dark despair, and then he looked right through me as if I wasn't there. And he kept on singing, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing